Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of you don't have permission to access on Gmail. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps and you will click here on this window. After that you can go to Gmail and you can click in this page. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.